I'm going to show you how to install an LED retrofit downlight if you have recessed lighting that takes halogen or incandescent bulbs. This light is from TorchStar and it will fit into 5-inch or 6-inch housings. This works with recessed lights that can be adjusted or a standard recessed light. For this style light, take out the bulb first, have your electric off, and then just pull down on the whole trim kit. This trim kit is held in by 2 clips. For this light, the socket is attached to the trim kit with 2 metal tabs that you just press in to release. Disconnect the adapter from the light and then screw this into the socket. Connect your wires. Inside most recessed light housings, you're going to have 2 tabs. If they're not already pulled down, you can pull these down. We're going to squeeze our spring clips and put them in between the 2 tabs and then push the light up into the housing. Very easy to install.